Good evening, this is Ashish, register number your 15CS038. Today I'm going to explain you a program networks experiment related to dynamic routing. So this is the scenario. In this I have used 5 routers. This is the 5 routers and I have used 4 switches. So this is one network, this is another network, this is another third network, and this is fourth network. This is also the router is also network. So fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So there are 8 networks connected to this. So I have already assigned the IP addresses to all the PCs and all the routers. So for the PC0, the IP address is given is like 192.168.1.1. The default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and default gateway is 192.168.1.254. So this is 1.0 network. Similarly for PC1 it is 1.2, and so the IP address of router is 1.254. So this is the 1.0 network. So similarly this is 2.0 network. We're gonna see for PC2. PC2 is like 2.1, and default subnet is default gateway is 2.254. This is 2.2, and this router is having 2.254, then 5.254 network connected to it. It also has one more network which is 6.1. So this the third network is like this is 3. Network. So 3.1 and 3.254 is the default gateway. This router is connected to 6.254, 3.254 and 7.1 networks. And this is the fourth router, and it is connected as 7.254, 8.1 network, and this is the fifth router which is connected to 8.254, and this is the 4. Network. So this is the 4.1 and 4.254. So this is the scenario given for the dynamic routing. So what we have to do is like we have to there are different types of dynamic routing such as router RIP version 1, version 2 and OSPF. So now I'm going to show you how router RIP version 1 is done. So first we'll open the router 0, we'll go to CLI, we'll exit this, we'll start from the beginning. The first we'll enable it, then we'll go to configuration mode. This is the router configuration mode. So now we have to write is router RIP. So we have come to the RIP configuration mode of router. So now we will give the network address to which network it is being connected. So this router is connected to 1. Network and 5. Network. So we'll give the network address as 1.0 and we'll give as 5.0. Similarly, we're gonna perform this same in the second router also. This is connected to 2. 5. and 6. Network. So config t router RIP. So similarly, it is connected to 2.0, 2.0, 5.0 and 6.0 network. 2.0, 5.0 and 6.0 network. We're gonna do this for third router, which is connected to 3, 6 and 7, which is networks 3, 6 and 7. So we'll go router RIP. Here we come to the network. We'll give network address. Sorry, yeah. We'll give the network address as 192.168, 3, 6 and 7. So 3.0, 6.0, 7.0. So this is as for router 3. We're gonna do for router 4 also. So it is connected to 7 and 8 network. 150 router RIP network 192.168.7.0 and 8.0. So this is that network 7 and 8. Now we're going to go for last router also. This is connected to 4 dot network and 8 dot network. So it will be, we'll first go to configuration mode, then router RIP, then network 4.0 and 8.0. So this is how router RIP version 1 is being done. So first we're gonna start with the configuration. First we go to configuration mode, then we'll go to router RIP. We'll type the router RIP command. After that we'll give the network address through which the router is being connected. So now I'm gonna show you how router RIP version 2 is being done. Same step is there. First we'll go to configuration mode, then instead of giving router only router RIP, we'll give router RIP space. So this is the version 2. This network, this router will perform the version 2 RIP. First it is of the basic difference is like first we give only router RIP and we'll directly give the network address. Now we're gonna tell him that we want to do for the version 2, and now we're gonna give the network address such as 1.0 and 5.0. So similarly this will be going to perform in all the networks, all the routers, same RIP version 2 also. Now the third thing in this dynamic routing is like OSPF. OSPF is what we have to do is in OSPF is like first we want to come, then first we go to the configuration mode, then we'll go router RIP 1. This is the protocol 1. Oh, sorry. Oh, my mistake. It will be as OSPF 1. Sorry. So what we have to do is like router OSPF 1. So it is come to the OSPF configuration. So now what we have to do is like we'll give the network ID through which it is being connected. Network similarly 192.168.1.0 space 0.0.0.255 space area 0, same as 5.0 0.0.0.255 space area 0. Same step will be gonna follow in the whole networks connected to whole the router and all the 4 remaining routers. Same step we have to do is like first we're gonna go to the configuration mode. After that we have to write router space OSPF space 1, which is the space 1 is the routing protocol, and we'll give the network ID which is being connected to the network through which the router is being connected, and we'll give the default subnet as 0.0.0.255 and area as 0 for the same all the routers. So this is how router RIP version 1, RIP version 2 and OSPF is being performed in a dynamic routing. Thank you.